how I have made over 3,000 US dollars in 24 hours with Google pay-per-click ads and affiliate marketing promoting physical product. As you can see over here, 48 actions, 2,700 euros, which is over 3,000 US dollars, and 97 clicks. Okay, and if I click over here, you can see, okay, here, most of your ad budget has been going to the people who don't even know they have the problem yet. So meaning they don't know they are in the problem state. Okay, so as you can see over here, if I show you, for back pain, I was promoting back pain product for affiliates. You can promote on ClickBank, on other affiliate networks. You can see over here, this is the advertorial, the blog page. Okay, so in order to get the sales, you need to have the right type of clicks, the right type of audience clicking on your ads. Meaning you need the right type of buyers clicking on your landing page. As you can see over here, right? The audience, there are 5 stages of awareness levels, meaning unaware, problem aware, solution aware, product aware, and most aware audience over here, as you can see over here, right? So from cold traffic to warm traffic, or calling hot traffic, right? So when you're promoting to people online, you have to understand who is your audience on a deeper psychological level. That's the most important thing. Why? Because when you're running the ads, you have to have the right type of audience clicking on your ads, right? So the rule of the system is every level is a different intent state, meaning buyers clicks and buyers intent state, right? Every ad group is a single mental frame. And that's the most important secret that no gurus are always sharing on YouTube or their ClickBank courses, right? You have to understand this. It's not your fault. You have to know the exact psychology of audience that you're running the ads to, right? So as you can see over here, right? You didn't fail. You were just fishing in the wrong pond. So here we have buyers, blue ocean traffic over here, and here we have curiosity clickers. Curiosity clickers without interest. They're not interested in your product. They just see your ads. It look ugly, it look weird. They click on it, but they never buy. And that's the problem, my friend. You are targeting the wrong audience. As you can see over here, right? That's the most important thing. With Google pay-per-click ads, you see, I have spent 520 US dollars on Google Ads, 368 clicks, $520, $5,000 in conversion value, and you see return on investment. Why? Because we promoting product with a great upsell take rate. That's the most important thing. And the best thing is you can do this as a beginner without showing your face on camera, without spending months learning new skills, and without needing any IT skills. So that's the most important thing that you have to understand as a beginner watching this video. As you can see over here, some of our students are getting daily results. Over Zoom call over here, you can see what we get done together, one-on-one over Zoom call. She's from Spain. English is her second language, and she has made over 32,000 US dollars in profit on ClickBank. Another student over here, and over here, as you can see over here, right? So why a pre-sale page makes your ads perform better is because builds trust before seeing your offer. Okay, people see your page before they go to VSL, before they buy the product. So as you watch this video, if you want to have similar results like me, traveling all around the world, having results, okay, you can connect with me one-on-one. Here's my WhatsApp number. In the description below, you have my WhatsApp number, email, where you can connect with me one-on-one, and we can get this up and running.